In this video, I'm going to show you how to add volume indicator on NinjaTrader. Now to do this, you first want to open NinjaTrader, and of course you want to open up a chart where you want to add the volume indicator. So if you don't have a chart, go to New, top left, click on Chart, and just load up a chart from here. And then you want to right-click anywhere on that chart, and you want to go and click on Indicators. You could also press Ctrl+I on your keyboard. It's going to do the same thing. It's going to open the Indicators window. In here, you can scroll down and look for volume, or just go to search and type in vol, so VOL, okay? Now when you do this, you can then scroll down and you will find volume over here. As you can see, there we go, we have the volume. Of course, there's a bunch of different ones which you can use. I'm actually just gonna go with the basic volume, and then you can click on it and hit this add button, or just double click it so it's gonna get added down here. Then here you can then go and of course see the description. This is the volume. You can then go and change the properties if you want to. There's a bunch of different ones, and then hit the apply button and the OK button, and as you can see down here just below your chart, you now have the volume indicator. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.